Mortality kicked them bronze doors wide, cold steel sickle by his side. Not mean, not kind, just drawing the line. Said every empire runs out of time. Shadows stretch on marble floor, necessity knocking at the door. History long, don't care what you say. Rationality talk, irrationality play. That hall ran deep like midnight air, beating whisper everywhere. Substance hold them columns tight, foam set the table in candlelight. Why did he say hold it tight? Multiplicity start the fight. Identity keep one face on, dimplings change till truth be gone. ETIQUETTE slid and smooth and tall, measured cousin consequence down the hall. Between right and wrong she drew that thread, between duty and neglect what's done and said. Power stood where the light would fall, didn't have to shout at all. Legitimacy speak real slow, tyranny smile you already know. Virtue and voice hip to hip, red silk wine on marble lip. Justice deal what injustice owe, mercy cool, wrath below. Good look over at evil's grin, both of them born as twins. Terminalism hold locked up clock, freedom lean on balcony rock. Freedom to say let me try, freedom from say cut that tie. Slavery wait behind a chair, been in a room since first prayer. Future stand veiled in blue, future can judge you won't tell you. Clarity holds steady flame, confusion fog up the game. Precision cut, boldness slide, truth and falsehood side by side. Language pour that red, red wine, misuse spill it every time. Claim knock hard on wood, counter claim say not so good. Bring her tools in line, superstition read a sign. Teddy smell like iron and flame, control and chaos play the game. Fetch and break that bread in half, labor cough don't even laugh. Wealth sip slow silk and ease, poverty feel that winter breeze. State walk in iron shoes, leather and lawlessness choose. War stomp dust across the tile, peace come barefoot for a while. Rights unfold like sacred page, obligation feel like cage. Metallic and cold, who do I serve? She bold, power raised, jeweled, and utility show numbers plan. Necessity speak first and slow, can Gensey say we don't know? Love didn't move, and love rose. betrayed, didn't bow to deals they made, didn't fear consequence or blame, didn't play power's little game. Faith stand close, hope lean near, charity move chairs clear, music slow, candles shake, empire tremble, market break, Leo and loot rise and fall, love remain above it all. The banquet don't end tonight, it mirror you in candlelight.